Green economic metrics as a promoter of sustainable development in universities. The case study of Bosque University. This work has been developed by a group of researchers, professors, Jaime Romero, Mónica Sofía Rico, Luz Ángela Luna, Sergio Leguizamón, and Elisa Vergel. The UI GreenMetric has been the way in which the University of Bosque has increased the range of efficiency in the functioning of the university works and activities. The evidence of this increase has been shown in, as you can see in the poster, by means of the scores that we obtained each year by year since 2014, 2017, and until each year to 2020. The increase of the score has been very, very important